for this year is justice. And we are called to remember. And I would like here to remember my son, Prince Kwabdas Rangnan Samson Dongban, who was killed on the 23rd day of September 2011. Less than 3 months after his death, I was given the privilege by the FRFC outfit to address the world on the menace of road safety crashes. That is exactly 11 years ago. My son was a law graduate. He was aspiring to be a very good prosecuting lawyer. He would sit in front of the TV and watch crime films and then drill me. Since I'm a judge, he will ask me questions. What did the investigator do? What did the prosecutor not do that led to the loss of this case? Or how did they win this case? Why did the judge take this decision? And I would gladly explain to my son. He was very proud. I really looked forward to putting into practice what he had studied in school and what he had garnered from me, from my experience and my study. Unfortunately, his aspirations were cut short. He was killed. And I say he was killed because the person who knocked him down failed, refused to stop and help him. I was here in Abuja. My son was killed in Jos. When I left Abuja early in the morning to drive to Jos to see my son, I drove straight to the mortuary, and my son's dead body was lying on the slab in the mortuary. I examined my son's body, and I noticed that he had 2 broken legs. My son bled to death through the 2 broken legs. Up to this moment, nobody has come up to claim responsibility. My son was a victim of failed justice. I am a judge, I'm a jurist, and a responsible one at that. I feel a victim of failed justice. Why? Because people who witnessed my son's death failed to come forward to assist in enabling the authorities to apprehend the culprit. People who had information about the killer are still keeping mum lips. And the authorities, the police, are helpless because there is no law to compel these people to come forward and give evidence. That is injustice. Over the years, I have attended conferences on road safety since my son died. I have desperately attended these conferences hoping that there will be solution, that justice will be better served to other road victims. We still have them. If you recall, just a few days ago, we lost about over 20 people on Kogi Road, where a person, a driver who has no respect for the law of his land, used his vehicle to block the road and constituted serious road hazard to other road users. That is lawlessness, occasioning untimely death to many people. Among the people who died, I understand, were two brothers who were students in the university. Can you imagine what the parents are going through right now? Lives are lost. Resources are lost. Spent but wasted.